The AC-FRESCO-DA116 is a large-scale distribution amplifier, built to handle a full 4K at 18 gigabits per second signal. It amplifies and stabilizes an HDMI signal throughout its 16 HDMI outputs. This DA is perfect for large video walls that use commercial displays, or any situation where every display needs to receive the exact same signal at the same time. What's in the box? Besides the AC-FRESCO-DA116, there is a 12-volt locking power supply. Inside this bag is a couple of mounting ears and their screws. And if you aren't mounting, rubber feet are also included. For more information on this or other AVPro Edge products, visit our website or give us a call.